Hello, David here, and the project for today is to figure out why this bathroom vent fan is so noisy. Listen to this. That's almost as loud as my chainsaw. Let's look inside here. It just kind of pulls out. And there's these little clips here. Squeeze these clips. See that? Before I do anything, I'm going to clean this up. It's pretty filthy in there. I'm going to unplug the power to the motor. And I think this whole plate comes out. There's a it's a 1/4 inch screw down here. It's hung up on this plaster, and then I have to trim that out. Oh yeah, look at that mess in there. Hey, you know what most of that stuff is? I did a regrout job on the tiles in the shower, and I made a video on that, but I think that's what most of that dust is. And by the way, if you have thin hair, put that grout dust in your hair. It makes it nice and thick. Got that cleaned out as best as I can. Got the motor assembly cleaned out too. Looks like new, huh? Went in like this. The screw was there. Okay, the fan is still hitting something. Here's where it's hitting. It's hitting these plastic things on the motor. You could even see, I don't know if you could get in there, but it's there's a groove worn in the corner of each of these plastic tabs. Right there. Hear it? I'm going to try to tighten these nuts and see if that helps. These are 5/16. Still hitting. If I were to try to bend this motor down a little, the fan would follow it. I guess I could try to shim the fan. See if I could take this retainer clip off. So this is not a retainer clip. This is part of the plastic of the fan. There is a clip that's steel that goes around the circumference of this stub, and instead of trying to get that off, I just pulled on the fan while I pushed on the metal shaft of the motor, and it did slide up a little bit. and it doesn't rub. Let me push the motor in. It doesn't rub, but I gotta try and put it in place and see if the fan rubs on the metal housing. That's perfect, it's not rubbing. That screw is stripped, so I have a little bit larger sheet metal screw here for my collection of screws. Hope you guys and gals are keeping collections of old screws in a jar. Comes in really handy. That'll keep it from vibrating. Curiosity is killing me. I need to know how much clearance there is between the fan and the back plate. Got a piece of clay. Plenty of clearance. And that's it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.